In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly insert a picture into your Microsoft Word document. This is a simple yet powerful way to enhance your documents, whether you're working on a report, a presentation, or just making some fun flyers. So let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open your Microsoft Word file. This is your starting point, the canvas where all the creative magic will happen. If you haven't yet opened your document, go ahead and locate it on your desktop or wherever you have it saved. Once you've got it on your screen, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now that you have your Word document in front of you, take a look at the menu ribbon at the top. Here, you'll want to click on the Insert tab. This tab is essentially your toolbox for adding various elements into your document. You'll find options to insert tables, shapes, charts, and most importantly for us, pictures. With the Insert tab selected, your next move is to click on Pictures. This option is nestled under the Illustrations section and is dedicated to helping you add visual elements to your document. Once you click on it, you'll be faced with two main choices, either to insert a picture from your device or to browse online for pictures. For this example, let's choose the Browse Pictures option. When you select to browse pictures, a dialog box will open, allowing you to sift through an extensive gallery of images available through various online sources. This is exceptionally handy if you're looking for stock photos or other visuals that are readily available. Take a moment to consider which image would best complement the text or message you're trying to convey in your document. Once you've found the perfect picture, go ahead and double-click on it. This action instantly inserts the picture into your Word document right where your cursor is currently positioned. Now you have a visual element that helps to communicate your ideas more effectively. In just a few short and simple steps, you've managed to liven up your document by adding a picture. Remember, these images can be resized, moved, and adjusted to better fit the layout you're aiming for. Whether you're looking to emphasize a point or just make your document more visually appealing, adding pictures is always a good idea. That's it. You've now guided yourself through the process of adding a picture to a document in Microsoft Word. With practice, these steps will become second nature, allowing you to enhance your documents with ease and creativity. Thanks for watching and happy editing.